Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again in the gold market in the second video today. On the daily chart, as you can see, we do not have really big changes in the picture, so the same as on the euro currency actually. So yes, market has moved slightly higher yes this session, but this action was not really significant. In general, we have in medium-term perspective the bullish sentiment, bullish view, because market right now is still overextended down on the high time frames, and a reasonable retracement seems logical in the current situation. As you know, from our weekly report, we're mostly watching the 1238 at least of this level to be hit. Also, you can see this actually conference resistance on the daily chart. So this probably should happen within a few weeks. So it's medium-term perspective. In the shorter term, in today's session, guys, yesterday we already have mentioned this bearish pattern that has been formed on the market. So the first minor reaction on the OP target has followed yesterday. This minor retracement has happened. But at the same time, market hasn't quite shown any continuation higher, but still calling around this agreement resistance, because this is the combination of the fib levels 91195 and take a look, this is also ABCD OP target. This ABC retracement gives us the cartilage typical to sell pattern, which suggests the downward action, the different depth. So it could be 3.8 or maybe a stronger retracement. As we have talked also yesterday in yesterday's video, retracement here seems logical because actually, guys, take a look at the daily chart. This is the first more or less significant bounce compared to previous minor retracements within the long-term downward journey. So that's why the market shows the first more or less reasonable bounce after the strong plunge down. The bearish momentum that will exist in the market push prices lower. That's why every time when the market forms deeper, stronger retracement or even reversal action, reversal leg, retracement usually after it looks deep. And here it could become not an exception. That's why we expect maybe some kind of reasonable retracement down here. And particularly it could be triggered by this garnish triple to sell pattern. Still, as we have bullish context mostly, we call follow the tendency to that. For the daily traders, there's no context for taking the short position. For daily traders, should wait for retracement and watch this retracement and treat this retracement as an opportunity to go long. That is our major context. If you're a scalp trader, as I just talked about it on the euro currency, and I showed an example of yesterday's double repo trading, this is really the challenge. So trading against the major tendency on the intraday charts, this is really it's of course very thrilling, but this thrill not always positive, and you need to really have the fast mind to be well concentrated on the trading, have the experience, confidence with what you are intending to do. So these guys really very important stuff. And if you do not have this confidence, you will feel lack of this confidence. It's better to not go against the trend, even on the intraday charts, trying to catch some minor bounce here. So because this really carries significant risk. That's why for us, this combination, this pattern is mostly as the chance to get a retracement that will let us to take the long position, the better price. That's our major purpose on this situation. On the hourly chart, guys, yesterday we have talked about this already and said that still if you would like to take the short, you need to get the patterns on your back. Currently, guys, and yesterday we haven't got any clear bearish pattern. Some kind of pullback here has happened, but as you can see, it was really very gradual, lazy. This is definitely not the kind of a pattern. So today, what we have? Today we have bearish divergence with the MACD here. And take a look at this breakout of this trend line. So this kind of the kiss goodbye. So breaking the trend line, touching it. Market right now is showing some kind of the attempt to downward continuation. So maybe some pattern will be formed here. I do not know. Just keep an eye on it if you would like to take the short. For us, still major level to watch for, I suppose, is two levels actually. 1180, and this will be precisely the number of the yearly pivot point. Also, it's confidence support on the intraday charts. And 1175 approximately. This is major 618 support. Because I think that retracement probably will be not to this level, but a bit deeper. Since this is really first up projection on the daily, and collapse before that was really significant. That's why I think that 50%, 618 retracement probably should happen. So that's what we'll see right now on the gold market. So yes, maybe some bearish context will be formed. If you really have the confidence, you could try it. But for us, as I said, major scenario is just waiting for pullback and thinking about the taking long. That's our major scenario that we're following right now on the gold market.